Hi friends, in this video I would be showing 3 methods to disconnect mobile phone from Wi-Fi network. Method 1. From top swipe down. Here you can see Wi-Fi. Just tap on this Wi-Fi. That way we can turn off Wi-Fi and disconnect mobile phone from Wi-Fi network. This is a method 1. Method 2. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap on connections. And here you can see Wi-Fi on off button. So right now Wi-Fi is on. Wi-Fi is connected to Wi-Fi network home Wi-Fi. I am going to disconnect. Just tap here and turn off Wi-Fi. This way we can disconnect this mobile phone from Wi-Fi network. This is a method 2. Method 3. Again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap on connections. Tap on this Wi-Fi label. Tap here. Then tap on this connected Wi-Fi network settings. Tap on the settings icon. And here you can see forget network. Tap on this forget button. Done. So this way we can disconnect and remove Wi-Fi connection from mobile phone. This is the third method to disconnect mobile phone from Wi-Fi network. So these are the 3 methods. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.